Welcome back to CrossFed Fred YouTube channel. I hope you watched not last week, week before's video and all that stuff, because we're going to be continuing on with that. Sorry there weren't a video last week. I couldn't really be arsed. Life got in the way a little bit. Big secret, I'm building a new tattoo shop, so yeah, so that's going to have to come first for a little bit. But I'm about to make a wooden wheel adapter, because the company that I tried to get to make me a set of adapters to go from Chevy to Ford just stopped replying to my emails. And then I think Eden's going to tack up some stuff under front of the car as well. Just have a look, see how it goes there. That is a Chevy Jag fitment front stud pattern. Can't remember what it is. It might be like 5B5 or 5B4.5, something like that. And F100 is 5B5.5. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this quite expensive scaff board that's brand fire new, never been used, and I'm going to make a really bastardized stud pattern adapter for that, so that I can put these wheels on it, and then we can just double check that everything lines up where it should under this part of the car. Say hello, Eden.
Hello, Eden.
I sometimes amaze myself with just the sheer amount of fucking bodgery that I can create. That is just going to hold the wheel on for the time being. Anyone knows me, I'm not scared of running washers instead of wheel spacers, but I'm not going to run a wooden wheel adapter. So as it says on the fucking box, budget 3,000, that's what this is. This is not permanent, this will not do fuck all. It's probably going to break as soon as I put wheel on, but company let me down, so I've ended up having to make what I think is a 5B5.5, which is standard Ford fitment, which is these, to 5x4.5, which is the Jag Chevy fitment, which is what the front clip's from. Fingers crossed, summit works. It probably ain't gonna, but it's nearly ready to cycle suspension up and down and see what it does. Hurry up, mate. I thought you were my friend. Friends hurry up for each other. In case anyone didn't know, I actually studied to become an engineer. I think that kind of proves it to me. If you don't believe me by this point, you're never gonna. Excellence, that. Have a look at this for a bit of engineering mastery. Fucking hell. Look at it.
You've got probably go lower than that. That's it.
I think from looking at it, it needs to come forward an inch. It is a little bit kind of wonky looking because of camber wheel and all that stuff, but that's the brain of the organisation. We've decided that it definitely needs to go forward about 8 inch.
Hey! Vaping. Oh. Big boy shit.
Right, so Eden's just set his welder up. We're going to make, again, Royal Wee, but that's going to get made permanent. It's going to be some gusseting, that's getting chopped out. You'll not even really know when it's done. But meanwhile, I'm going to get pork pie and hang about for a bit, because I ain't really got much to do. And this is a fairly Eden fabricator heavy episode, and me sort of just passing him tools and talking shit.
Measure up much I need. I can do it on bench, you know, can't we? Money, money, money. Some people got to have it. Hey, two people.
Right, so old Eden's made that pretty permanent and pretty strong for the time being. I'm going to get some ball joints pressed in it this week, get wheels on, and then we can at least double check that everything's straight. We've just made his lives loads harder if it's not straight, but...
just zip it through middle, re-weld it.
Yeah, fuck it, it's straight, innit? Looks proper straight to me, mate. Not a problem at all.
You're good. Right.
Oh, look at bag travel. I'm not an nonce, so I can't really comment, but I can guarantee you this much. If your fucking hub nut is in line with your chassis leg, that is gonna look fucking sick. Cheers for watching, appreciate it. Do me a favour, tell all your mates about us. Like, subscribe and all that stuff. Make sure you follow Eden on his channel and all, Garage 5'8". His garage is literally made for people that are only 5'8". You're fucked if you're over 5'8". But at least this week we managed to get bottom arms back on and everything. We've cycled suspension, measured it, made sure obviously when travel goes up and down, where it arcs in movement and all that. You might not think it from how fucking stupid I am. And occasionally how daft Eden is, but there's a bit to this, and it is going to look absolutely boss when it's done. So just come back next week, and 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 next week.
I can't do that week.
Oh shit.